Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and talk about lead lightning. And I just wanted to talk about what kind of training you get with this one time $7 purchase. As you know, I believe that lead lightning is one of the best $7 purchases that you can make as a new affiliate because it allows you to experience and learn how to build a list, and it gives you all the tools that you need in generating unlimited $6 commissions. And as you know, as a new affiliate, nothing feels better than you generating that first dollar online. And in fact, the first $6 online, right? Um, it's a low enough price point that people aren't taking that big of a chance with spending $6. So they're highly likely to buy. And also, the way that the funnel is set up through Lead Lightning, which I have another video that talks about the anatomy of it and the breakdown, it allows you to potentially make up to $526 off of one $7 purchase. And also with the Lead Lightning system, if I didn't mention, you also get another system called the Free Leads Forever system that you can give away that walks all prospects as they enter that free lead system funnel into purchasing the Lead Lightning system and then into the other up and down sales that are built into the funnel. So this is an excellent business in a box for a one-time $7 purchase that's perfect for any beginner. In fact, anybody should have this tool in their affiliate toolkit so that they can give it away with the free version. They could drive traffic to the $7 purchase and build a buyer's list. It's just a must-have tool, I believe. And you can use it for promoting ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate offer, any business that can help you generate $6 commissions on the front end and ultimately promote whatever offer you have on the back end. So that's enough about that. I just want to talk about particularly about the training that you get for this one-time $7 purchase. Okay, so let's log into the back office here of the Lead Lightning system. Now, as you know, you purchase the Lead Lightning system, and when you log in, it's going to automatically show you the next upgrade. So it's going to automatically try to sell whatever prospect that comes into the Lead Lightning system the Cadillac version of this system, which is called the Power Lead system, and it is an all-in-one marketing platform. Okay, I mean, I recommend it because I build all my capture pages and all my funnels with the Power Lead system. It also has a built-in autoresponder. It has a excellent, robust compensation plan where you can get residuals, $21 residuals on top of 50% team matches. I mean, you can do all the tools, and it's affordable, right? We know that ClickFunnels, who cares? ClickFunnels is a good system too, but it hits your pockets every month for like $97. And if you want to do other things, you gotta pay more monthly. I mean, Power Lead system is affordable, and you get pretty much all the same tools that you can get. You get the tracking. Anyway, this is not about Power Lead system. I'll leave a link for a free trial in the description box below if you're interested. So this is about Lead Lightning. You log in, you'll be presented with this screen. You hit no thanks. Okay, so where I want to take you is I want to show you the points where me coming into the Lead Lightning system, I'm presented with this here, and I'm also presented with my sponsor's recommended income stream. So as a Lead Lightning member, I'm always being presented with an upsell, and I'm also being presented with my sponsor's recommended program. You already know about all of these pages here, but what I want to focus on is what you get as far as the training that comes with Lead Lightning. And I highly recommend, as a new Lead Lightning member and affiliate, right, that you check out the training. There's a video in the back office that's approximately 20 minutes, but it details step by step how you should go about promoting your Lead Lightning system, how you can promote it online in social media and how you can make the most of this powerful $7 system that you can generate unlimited $6 commissions on. So don't let the low price fool you, because this is a very powerful system that can ultimately bring you a lot of success online. So let's go here. So this is a 20-minute video for training, right? So let's go here and see what this has to offer. Click here for lead lightning picks. Okay, so these here are pictures that you can post in social media. This particular picture looks like a cover photo for your social media that you can put this on your cover photo, right? And the secret social media hack for this is you add this as your social media photo, and then in the description, you put your links for your lead lightning so that when you change your cover photo, everybody on your friends list gets notified that you changed your cover photo. And guess what message pops up? This message here, how I want to give you a free list building software, right? And when they click on this image in the description box, it'll show the link, and boom, if they want to check it out, they click the link. So that's an easy way to promote on social media. Like you can do it randomly, like every couple months, you change your picture, change the link, and it will pull people who are interested into seeing what that link is or what that picture is, and then ultimately they may click that link. So it's causing your profile to be a magnet because of your picture cover change. Secondly, it gives you a featured photo picture, which it has the same tactic, right? Where you put this in your featured photo section with a link, and every time you change that, it notifies, and it, like a magnet, draws people to your profile to see what you changed, and oh, there's a link, let me click the link, right? So those are just different tactics, and it gives you different photos that you can use for that. And like I said, this is included with your one-time $7 purchase of lead lightning. Second, let's go back now. Let's go back to that. Okay, so after we did that, it walks you through how you can improve your email deliverability using the lead lightning autoresponder system. Yes, you get an autoresponder. With the lead lightning version, you can't tamper with the messages. All that you need to know is that when your lead comes through that capture page, there's a sequence of 16 emails, I believe, that automatically generate and get sent to the leads that are going to try to sell them the lead lightning system, and also sell them whatever link you put in your primary business every odd email. So this is a video that just describes how to sync your personal Gmail or your. I recommend you get a domain name, and then you can use that email for it. But it just talks about that. Okay, so that's part of that training. Then as we scroll down, it gives you ideas and strategies on traffic generation for online. So let's look at a couple of these, okay? So this here is text links, perform links to drop on any site. So when you scroll down here, it shows you that these are just headlines that you can use, right? Neat, like you put these on your social media, you copy and paste on the places like Facebook, Twitter, or whatever, and you just put this link. I wouldn't really recommend like just dropping your link everywhere. I would just put this phrase, right? And as people respond to it, then, you reply back with your link. But these are a whole list of what do you call it? Preform text messages that you can add to any social media. Okay. And there's just a variety of different phrases, just incite like curiosity for people to respond to, and then you shoot them the link in your personal message. Then the next one is email swipe copy that you get for that $7 purchase that you can send out emails. So, Here's some emails like this one. Real quick, a push button system has just launched, Lead Lightning, and I want to share with you your link. Use it to create a frenzy of buyers and your name and contact information. So these are just sample templates that you can use to email your leads or your prospects. Let's go back. The next, you get banners. You get banners that you can post on your website, or actually, if you highlight these and right click them, you can save them as images here and use them to post on social media. And you can do that with any of these images. Obviously that's not social media made. This is more like for a website that if you have one, or a blog site that you are able to put banners in, you can use these as banners that click directly to your link and drive traffic and create a leads list. Also, you get video marketing tips, okay? So here just gives you a 3-step tips on how to submit videos and do video marketing on particular different platforms. So here's 2 sites that you can submit videos on. And this is just a general overview of how you can do it, how you can hire somebody to do the voiceover if you really don't feel comfortable with doing it, but it's really not that hard. And actually, in the link in the description, in the description box below, if you sign up with me, I can provide you with access to an affiliate marketing school that if you click the button in the back office, I have a system set up. Let me see if I have it here open. No, I don't. Let's see. Maybe I'll show you real quick if I have it. My opportunities. I'm not logged in, and I'll show you later on a different video. But anyway, I'll leave a link in the description for this affiliate marketing school that's free to join. It's called the Simple Freedom Club. And in my back office, you can access a list of free tools and tips on how to create videos without showing your face. And you can just create videos and talk. And then you have a feature to add your camera view once you feel comfortable, I guess. So anyway, let's go back here. Also, you get a list of safe lists. A safe list which allows you to do free do free marketing and advertising on. So there's a whole list here. Let's see if I click it, what happens. Yeah, it's a whole training on using safe lists, and it provides you with all the safe lists that you can use and how you can use it and how you can safely market on there to get traffic from those safe lists and traffic exchanges. The next training that you get is how you can add a signature file to your emails just promoting any business opportunity. And this is like, sometimes it seems really simple, but a lot of people don't use this simple trick where on any email, you have auto signatures at the bottom where you have your name, phone number, or whatever. All you have to do is put your link there, particularly if you get your own domain name. So mine would be like, thanks, Steve, my number, and www.successwithdean.com. It's that simple. It's that easy. You put that on the bottom of your email, and that helps you generate additional leads because people see that link at the bottom of an email and they're like, what is this about? And they click it, right? That could take them into your funnel. If they're interested, they put their email in, they opt in, they see a great $7 business, and next, boom, you're getting $6 commissions. So that's that training there. And then they have another tactic just to help you with search engines. Now, the next training, which I'll let you read on your own, the next training is traffic generation offline. So it shows you how you can order shirts and different marketing strategies in order to promote the Power Lead system or Lead Lightning system. And I'll let you check this out, but you can get different clothing, different towels, different brands But it's an excellent idea. Even if you were to do this on your own, you can get your own domain name, create your own brand, and go to a company like Teespring and design up a shirt or whatever with your logo and your brand on it, and have a website on it actually, or your domain name, and like lead generator, right? And just have a picture. And then when people see the t-shirt, they're like, lead generator, what's that? And they can have your website on the back or whatever, and they can go to it. And that's just a way to do marketing offline. Then they have a personal, like doing personal calls, and they have a script. So for instance, this script is, hi, John Doe, this is Nam. How you doing today? Then they respond. Then you say, well, John, I literally only have 1 minute as I have a lot of people to call. Well, we got a $7 offer that people are going crazy for right now. And then the guy's like, oh, really? And then you're like, yeah, it's an entire marketing system that you can use to promote anything you want. So it has a tremendous mass appeal. Do you have a pen? Let me give you the link. And then you like, my link is da 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 da. And then there you go. Okay, gotta run. Thanks. So that's a simple script that you can use if you are marketing online, offline on a phone call. So that's what you also get in this $7 system. Okay. Now that's for the training, but this first training here is power packed here. This 20 minutes of training will really get you on the right track. So when you become a Lead Lightning member, I highly suggest you check it out. Now, if you become a Lead Lightning member under me, all you got to do is reach out to me, and I'll help you do whatever you need to do, like get started, create ads for your Facebook, posts for your Facebook. I'll help you edit any of these as needed, and help you like fix your profile or whatever. But just reach out, and I'll be glad to help. That's what I'm here for. So really, that's all I got. It's a super quick video. I hope you enjoyed the content and a peek at the back office training of the Lead Lightning $7 business, which, like I said, is a one-time $7 purchase. And I really hope you appreciate it. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below. As always, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.